This is a Wanbo T2 Max projector, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn this into wireless casting beast using a Raspberry Pi. No more dealing with the outdated software. Let's make it smart and seamless. If you're into DIY tech hacks, stick around. First off, let's talk about what we have here. Wanbo T2 Max is a compact projector with great features. 1080p resolution, built-in speakers. Those bad boys are quite blasting, I'm gonna show you later. And it's super portable. It supports HDMI, USB, and it has Android built in. But here's the catch. The worst part? Android 6. Sure, it's bloatless, but it's also ancient. And there are no custom ROMs for this bad boy. Casting videos wirelessly? Forget about it.
I said forget about it, cuz.
Unless you want some of that Google spyware. So what's the solution? Open source, baby. Here we have the Raspberry Pi. What we are going to do is slap on some Linux into the MicroSD card and then connect the Raspberry Pi into the projector via HDMI and set up wireless casting. Easy, affordable, and turns your projector into a bad boy cinema at home. Step 1. Head to the Raspberry Pi website and download the Raspberry Pi OS. Grab the latest version. This thing is free and it's open source. Step 2. Insert the microSD card into your computer and flash the operating system using the Raspberry Pi Imager tool. Once that's done, pop that bad boy into the Raspberry Pi. Step 3. Power up the Pi and connect it to a monitor for initial setup. Connect the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now open the terminal. Install Flatpak with this command. Next, we install FCast using Flatpak. Now to test if it runs, we just type Flatpak run and hit tab. Boom, the receiver is auto-completed. We click enter, and this will spawn a window with all the information that you shouldn't see. All we gotta do now is just scan the QR code on the right side and we will be able to play the videos on this receiver. Test it out. Open YouTube on your phone, play a video, hit the cast button, and select the Raspberry Pi receiver. Boom! Video plays on the monitor. To make it auto start, we will need to run a few more commands. First one is to create an auto start folder, and the second one is to create the desktop file for FCast. I'm using Vim to edit. You could use Nano, but probably just look up your own answer because Vim bindings. Copy paste it, save it, and hit a reboot. The SD card that I've chosen to use is really slow. The slower the SD card, the more suffering you will receive. Since I'm not gonna use it or this system to write anything on the storage, I really don't care. This is going to be only a video receiver in my case. Once the Pi has rebooted, connect the Raspberry Pi to the projector using the HDMI cable, power it on, and select HDMI as the source on the projector. In the Pi settings, set audio output to HDMI. Cast a video again. It plays on the projector with sound. There it is. Technology, son.
So is it any wonder people are afraid of technology?
Technology!
One more thing that I'd like to mention is that most of these projectors have bigger fans inside of them, and after many years of running they collect a big amount of dust inside, so consider changing the thermal paste if you're not afraid to take it apart. If you found this useful, please demolish the like button for me, and see you soon. If you want to support my videos, you can always buy me a coffee. Have a nice day. Hey, what is this? Why is this auto playing? Hey, wait, hey, turn it off!